Hi guys, I'm here again for the eyebrow tutorials. We have a lot of videos on this page for eyebrows, but people still ask me inbox, how can I get my eyebrows done? Like, I just want to do it direct, like no edits, direct. Okay, you start with your spoolie, you brush up, then you brush the sides. Firstly, make sure your eyebrows are properly groomed. Once you get your eyebrows properly groomed, to draw it's very easy. Okay, now you get a pencil, whatever pencil you want to use. If you prefer your eyebrows darker, you go in for a black pencil, but I want to use brown for today. Okay, start at this point. Take it up, join the two lines. Feeling now. Then here you're feeling likely hair-like strokes. Do same this side. Okay. At this point, you get your spoolie. Brush gently. See, this part needs to look more natural, more natural. Okay. So now we get our concealer. You can use this one. Then you get your concealer brush as well. You get some generous amount of concealer. You start from the edge. You clean. And then you do the same thing this way. And then you get a clean brush to clean up the concealer now. Now I will show you what brush to use. This one I'm using to clean my excess concealer. So at this point, you can leave the top part like this, or if you want them more defined, you go in with a darker shade concealer that is the color of your foundation. You just clean them, or better still, this one wasn't too light because I'm not to do full face. If I'm to do full face, my whole face, I have to use a lighter shade down here. So since this one is also closer to my skin tone, I'll just use it to just clean a little bit up here. And then I go in with my brush, I pick up the excess. And then same thing this way. So you see, again, some people will want your eyebrows darker. If you want your eyebrows darker, you can now go in with a darker pencil. Continue, you add a bit at the edges here, but it's fine. This one is perfectly fine for me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. And mistakes are allowed. If you make a mistake, you can go ahead to correct, no problem. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.